time in gospel music you would hear from the east to the west. Any lyric, just complete it. But my question is, those east, west, north, south, what are they in Igbo? Yes, those cardinal points, those 4 cardinal points, what are they in Igbo? They actually have an Igbo name. Yes, east, west, north, south have an Igbo name. So let's get to it. East in Igbo is Ọwụwa Anyanwụ. Ọwụwa Anyanwụ literally means where the sun sets. Ọwụwa Anyanwụ. Then west in Igbo is called Ọdịda Anyanwụ. Ọdịda Anyanwụ literally means where the sun comes down. Okay, what about north? North in Igbo is called Ugwu. 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 And then finally south. South is called Ndịda. Ndịda. So we have the 4 cardinal points: east, south, west, north. So east is Ọwụwa Anyanwụ, west Ọdịda Anyanwụ, north Ugwu, and then south Ndịda. I hope you learned something today. Dalo.